Here on the Transparent FX Academy, every day I share my educational market breakdowns to identify the best trading opportunities in the market. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the charts and see where we can be looking for the next potential opportunity. In today's video, I want to speak about USDCAD. Now, why do I want to speak about USDCAD? Because at the moment, we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis, starting from the higher time frames, going down then on the lower ones. We will also check what we have from a COT perspective. So commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing. And by the end of the video, by using the combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. Now, starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that the market has just created a very strong impulse to the downside. Now, in all this impulse, there is one candle which is of a different color, which is this green candle here, which shows that we did have quite strong support at this level that blocked the market from continuing lower, which means that now that the market has broken this level to the downside and is currently testing it again, this is now previous support turned resistance, and we can expect the market to reject to the downside this level. So on the monthly, everything seems quite bearish. Going down on the weekly time frame, what we can see is that at the moment the market is trying to break below support. In fact, we currently have previous weekly resistance here, which is now turned support. At the moment, we are trading below it. However, we still have 10 hours and 36 minutes to go while I'm recording this video for this weekly candle here to close. And if we will have a successful close below the support, this will be previous support, now again turned resistance, after which we can expect more continuation to the downside. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like, subscribe, and also let me know in the comments the topic for the next video. If we go down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now here in the daily time frame, we can see that at the moment we have just broken below quite strong previous daily support, which, now that obviously the market is trading below it, is turned resistance. And usually in situations like this, what you get is a retest of this previous support and resistance before then getting the continuation to the downside, which means that at the moment, this is the best area inside of which we can be looking for a potential continuation to the downside with possibly good risk to reward. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, we can see how with the last report, net positions have just started once again getting increased, which means that hedge funds have started shifting their positioning more to the positive side than to the negative. So basically, we have, at least at the moment, started to see the CAD getting stronger, which means USDCAD getting weaker. And we can see that clearly reflected in the price action. Now, if with the new report, we will see more longs added and shorts closed, that would be great for this continuation to the downside. So the way in which we will be approaching this with students is as usual being reactive and not predictive. On the retest of this level, if the market will actually retest it, inside of here, we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective and lower. And we will be waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bullish market as we will have to an intraday bearish market. And only if the market will shift from an intraday bullish to an intraday bearish market, only at that point we will be adding USDCAD to our watch list. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice short with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the downside and for the market to complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the downside and to provide and create a lower low. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then you trade them with me every day. I give you a new daily market breakdown showing you how to apply the strategies with the entries, stops, and take profits. And you also can ask me questions every single day and get the answer the same day in the Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in my next video.